Eid Mubarak. Do you know why millions of people around the world celebrate Eid al-Fitr? What is the history behind this special day? Today, you will learn English while discovering the story, meaning, and traditions of Eid al-Fitr. This lesson will help you improve your English listening, learn new vocabulary, and practice real-life sentences. So listen carefully and repeat after me. Part 1. What is Eid al-Fitr? Eid al-Fitr is one of the most important festivals in Islam. It comes at the end of Ramadan. Ramadan is a special month. During this month, Muslims fast every day. Fasting means they do not eat or drink from sunrise to sunset. But Ramadan is not only about food. It is also about patience, kindness, self-control, and helping others. Now, repeat after me. Eid al-Fitr comes after Ramadan. Fasting teaches patience and discipline. Part 2. The history of Eid. The history of Eid al-Fitr started more than 1400 years ago. It goes back to the time of Prophet Muhammad. When he came to Medina, people had different festivals. But he told them there are two special celebrations in Islam. One of them is Eid al-Fitr. This day became a time of joy, gratitude, and community. Repeat. Eid is a day of joy and gratitude. Part 3. Why do people celebrate? After fasting for 1 month, people celebrate their effort. Think about it. Fasting every day is not easy. It requires discipline, strength, and focus. So Eid is a reward. People celebrate to thank God, to feel happy, and to share with others. Repeat. Eid is a reward after hard work. Part 4. How people celebrate Eid. Eid day starts early in the morning. People wake up, take a shower, and wear clean or new clothes. Then they go to the mosque for a special prayer. After the prayer, people greet each other and say, Eid Mubarak. This means, have a blessed Eid. Family and food. After prayer, families gather together. They eat special food and sweets. Children often receive gifts or money. Homes are full of happiness, laughter, and celebration. Repeat. Eid is a time for family and happiness. 5. Helping others. One important part of Eid is charity. Before Eid prayer, Muslims give money or food to people in need. This is called Zakat al-Fitr. It ensures that everyone can celebrate Eid. Repeat. Eid is a time to help others. 6. English vocabulary, detailed. Let's learn important words. Festival, fasting, gratitude, charity, prayer, tradition. Now, repeat each word slowly. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. Eid Mubarak. Happy Eid to you and your family. May your day be full of peace and joy. I wish you happiness and success. Now try to say it by yourself. Part 8. Listening practice. Listen and repeat. Eid al-Fitr is a special day celebrated by Muslims around the world. People celebrate Eid after 1 month of fasting. Families come together to share food and happiness. Try again slowly. Part 9. Simple conversation. Person A. Eid Mubarak. Person B. Eid Mubarak. How are you? Person A. I am happy. Today is a special day. Person B. Yes, let's celebrate together. Practice this conversation. Part 10. Life lesson. Eid teaches us important lessons. Be patient, be kind, help others, be thankful. These lessons are important in life and also in learning English. Great job! Today you learned the history of Eid al-Fitr, important English vocabulary, real English sentences, and conversation. Keep practicing every day to improve your English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Eid Mubarak.